Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how to enable smooth scrolling in Google Chrome. So what you want to do, you want to open up Google Chrome, right? And within the search bar here, just go ahead and type in Chrome //flags. Here it is, and I will be putting this within the description of this video. So once you go ahead and type that in, just go ahead and click enter. And in the search bar here, you want to type smooth. Once you start to type SMOs, you will definitely see smooth scrolling here. And you want to go ahead and change from default to enabled. Now, once you do this, you just want to simply go ahead and relaunch Chrome, and the smooth scrolling will be enabled. Now, in case you don't see smooth scrolling once you come here and search for it, now all you have to do, go ahead and click the three dots on the right hand side. Go down to help, and you want to click about Google Chrome. Now once you do that, your Google Chrome will be updated if it's not up to date, and then you can go ahead and try again to search for the smooth scrolling under the flags here, and it should definitely show up right there and then. Now guys, I really hope that you found some value within this video, and if you do, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below, and if you're new to the channel, special welcome to Drew Tutorials. I'm Andrew, and feel free to subscribe to see much more videos coming out every single week just like this one.